guys, Irene Kitty here. Let's have a look at Welcome to the Jungle by Guns N' Roses. Right, let's go ahead and have a look at the intro first. There's a double delay setting here in the intro section, which I have simplified as well. So I'm going to keep it in for the first playthrough, but then I'm going to turn the delay off so you can hear what's happening. And of course, use it when you get to the playthrough. Here's the intro at the full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm starting with 4 repeats of the B note here. And then that last note, as soon as you finish the last note, you want to count 2 beats. Then you come in with 5 picked B notes. And then you want to count 3 beats until the main intro. Hopefully that makes sense, but if I count it, check it out slow, it's going to be 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. So right after my last picked note, I'm going to count 2 beats first and then 3 beats next. And I'm going to get into the main descending line. That's going to be our intro. So here it is. It's repeating quite a few times, but let's play it once. I've got palm muting throughout and the delay, of course, which we have turned off now for the demonstration, just so you hear what's happening. G string, 4 and 2. 4 and 2 for the D string. Open D. And then 2nd fret on the A. This is the line and it keeps repeating. It repeats 2 plus 4 plus 3 times, and then we're getting to the chords. So right after all those repeats, you're going to go to a D power chord and an A power chord. And this is where it's starting to speed up gradually. And it goes with a B power chord